Guys, i-review natin one of the rare white keyboard dito sa aking channel. And normally makita mo mga nire-review kong keyboard are colored black. This time around, I have this one, si RK96, which is a white na mechanical keyboard na wireless. And gusto natin makita how good this was. Would it fit me na as a daily consumer slash gamer? Kamusta naman ka ng performance and the other things that you need to know before you head on over and buy this one. Tara, buksan natin. Hi guys, I'm Rich from the Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So this is the RK96, which is a white mechanical keyboard. And what's nice dito sa kanya na gustong-gusto ko is that meron pa siyang numpad and wireless siya. Kasi normally ako as a daily consumer, hindi lang naman gaming ginagawa ko dito sa aking mga keyboard. Normally, I do some of my work dito sa bahay, work from home. So, I do a lot of number crunching, lalo sa spreadsheet. So, the numpad is definitely a necessity for me. I've tried mechanical keyboard plus a separate numpad. Ibang experience if you have yung buong keyboard na may numpad versus yung nakahiwalay. So, this one, matatry natin. Papakita ko sa inyo kung if you're a person who use a lot of spreadsheet, I think this one might be a good choice for you. So tara, buksan natin. So I've been using itong keyboard na to for the past month already. And binox ko lang ulit para mapakita ko sa inyo the unboxing experience. So pag binuksan natin, outright, we can see yung keyboard. We have your user guide. We have here is your keycap remover. We have a couple of brown switches dito, 4 na spare. Meron tayo dito Type A to Type C or /C to C na cable used for charging yung keyboard kasi wireless siya. And of course, nandito ang pang palm rest natin. So if we take this out, this is what you'll see. Yan, ganito kaganda ang keyboard nito. So there's a lot of things you can do here. Kita nyo, no? Meron pa siyang expansion dito. No? So meron siyang Type C port na isa and dalawang Type A port. Which I think ito magagamit to as a hub. Lalo na pag naka-wired kayo, pwede mo kabitin mga USB flash drive or thumb drive nila dito. Pakinggan lang natin quickly ang sound coming off from this one. Hindi siya ganun kaingay, ah. So narinig niyo yung sound niya, hindi siya kasing ingay ng mga blue switches na mas clicky. This one is more tactile kasi this is brown. So, of course, nandito ka ng receiver, which is kakabitin natin right now sa ating PC. And to turn on, meron siyang switch dito. Just turn it on. Kaya makita nyo guys, umiilaw na siya. So, right now, i-try lang natin mag-type dito. So, right now, using itong keyboard natin ng RK96, iti-test lang natin quickly dito sa keyboard tester to see if it's responsive. Escape, F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and lahat naman umilaw. So, just simply type QWERTY. Yan. So, ano naman siya? Lumabas, UI 0, P, then ASD, FGH, J, K, L. Yan. So, lahat naman responsive naman siya. So, let's just shift, then ZX, CVBN, M. Okay, so okay naman, gumana naman siya. Lahat very responsive. Then, let's just simply try the numpad. Let's just turn on the numpad. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, okay, let's just switch 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so kita natin, it's very responsive. So, let's head on over to try typing on a Word document. Gusto ko pakita lang sa inyo yung feel ng keyboard na ito. Kamusta ka ng typing experience. Yan. Yan. So, kita natin, the typing experience is quite okay. Hindi siya maingay. And smooth naman ang typing dito. So, how about let's try on, head on over to C. Kamusta naman kanyang gaming experience. Guys, like I said, after using this one for nearly 1 month and showing you some quick gaming using the RK96. So what's my verdict for this one? One, it's wireless and it's supposed to be acting like a gaming keyboard. If it's wireless, and what I can say, it's quite responsive. It probably has low latency in this one. So you can use this either wired or wireless. It's okay. And another thing that I like from this one is that the backlit is customizable. You can check your user guide on how to customize all of the keys here, changing the colors, and it's depending how it suits your liking. I just made it a rainbow color to make it really look nice for me. So this is how I want it to be. And three is that it has the numpad that I'm looking for on a wireless keyboard. And of course, don't forget this scroll wheel that I can control my volume just here. So the RK96 is a really nice keyboard if you're somebody who likes a wireless one, and if you're somebody who wants customizable lighting on your keyboard, plus you have the numpad. I think this one is a pretty much a good keyboard, a good investment for you, whether you're just a casual user or a gamer. This one probably suits your need. So it also comes in color black. I just want to try the color white, so I tried to buy the color white this time around. So guys, if you're interested to purchase this keyboard, I'll be linking on the description box below. And this is priced at around 3,000 pesos if it's on a regular basis, and probably even cheaper if it's on sale. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads here from my channel. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.